Oh my god. Yeah. Oh my.
Again.
That is fucking disgusting.
Oh my god.
It's getting in the way, mate.
Oh my fucking.
Whoa, that went on you.
Spat at me.
It's on your jacket. Where's that?
Your jacket.
Sorry.
Yeah, it's gone outside.
Oh my god.
They were leaving, Luke.
Come here, give me a fucking hammer. This is fucking like killing.
That spat at you and everything, darling.
I'll get you a lump of wood from outside if you want.
Oh my fucking god.
I'll tell you what, Stuart, you'll thank her for it morning.
Oh
You
my
will.
fucking days.
Yeah.
Ah.
Yeah, it's not coming now anymore.
Oh.
No, there's more in there.
There's definitely more in it, but I don't
I think I need a bigger hole.
Oh my fucking god. That's more than a fucking tattoo. I didn't even put it on a splatter over here. Oh my god, please be gentle.
Something like that's got me down with me, hasn't it? Because you're only sort of like every bigger and
Alright, mate.
Yeah, man, yeah. Nah, fucking ingrown hair.
Oh,
Oh my
Has it gone
fucking
down?
days.
A little bit.
Has it gone down a lot now?
Fuck.
Oh, yeah.
It's putting fucking tears in me fucking eyes, that's what it's doing.
Yeah, but it's gone down.
Is there right in there, darling?
Yeah.
Yeah, there is.
Ah! Fuck.
That should come out.
Need tweezers. Focus, you bastard.
Oh. Oh my fucking god. Oh.
Get over. Gary's on his way back. Luke's on his way back down, filming it now.
Oh man, that's coming that.
Oh, there's a lot of shit coming out of there now.
Have a look.
Looks like intestines.
Just have a look at it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
A lot.
Come on, have a look.
Oh my.
I'm not going. Nah.
Looks like I've put your intestines on.
Fuck.
Oh my fucking days.
I need more tissue.
Guess what
Can you
should
get
do?
Can you get me some more tissue, mate? I'm gonna need more than that.
It's fine.
Fuck. My life.
Look at that.
Oh.
Smell it.
Nah.
I bet that's relief, isn't it?
It is
A little
now.
bit, but not, yeah.
I'm not saying it fucking is. I can't wait to get in the fucking shower now and put hot water in.
Bless. Was it pressure there, was it?
Yeah, a lot of it.
Literally, fucking.
Bless you.
There's still loads there. Some right down here. Oh, a lot of pressure's gone from. Feel that bit now. There's no pressure there anymore.
Yeah.
Just down this bit.
It's much better than that. Fuck.
Is it caused by an ingrown hair? Well known and it can happen.
Fuck my life.
It's yes, I'm doing lots of work. Yeah, black. Yeah, black.
Fuck. How much shit has come out of that, man?
Is it still coming out?
Yeah.
Fucking hell.
Oh my god.
It's gonna need another hole. That's just all the top bit gone.
It's looking better than it did anyway.
Is that my drink on that table?
Probably.
Yeah.
That's mine.
Is that yours as well?
Yeah.
Oh my fucking days.
Longer one, didn't that?
What type of rubbish is that?
Got you again.
Back again.
Did it get you again?
You went on the floor. I need to move back a bit. Sandy, you're stopping me from moving back.
Oh, is it actually still coming out?
Yeah.
Oh my fuck.
I need more tissue.
It's my a fucking tattoo and I've had them. Yeah. Oh. Oh my fucking god. Oh, is that it now?
There's so much more. You're gonna have to move your hand, mate.
Why are you filming it?
Because it's fucking amazing.
Oh my god, I've never seen so much shit come out of that in my life.
Oh, no, that's yeah, that's right then. I'll have that one. Yeah. Yeah, I need to put some water in there in a minute. If you could... Yeah, I can do that.
Is that it?
Out of the top one. But feel that bit there. There's nothing in that bit now. It's just this bit at the bottom. But feel that top bit. There's nothing there now.
Oh, thank you very much.
Does it feel better?
It does now.
I'm hurting him.
Fuck. I had to come out.
If I can push it up to that hole. Oh. No? Make another hole, yeah?
Fuck.
Do you want me to make another hole?
Nah.